Oh God! Look at this nature, man. Who or what, in its infinite wisdom, could have created something so vast, so beautiful, so magnificent to behold? Wow! Look at this water. Nice and cool like my heart. Just the way I like it. You know, it has some situations in life that'll leave your heart cold. Some woman will come, take away everything you have, take away your sanity too, and then laugh in the end. But all you have is this beautiful nature. Look at how these trees shape now, man. Who could have created this? What is the essence of life? Is a damn naturalist, you know. Live like the Caribbean Yarawak. You understand? Live peaceful, live up the land. Me, I want a war. What you fighting for? When you experience this bliss, this enlightening experience of nature and what it is, you understand? How you could ever hate, how you could ever want ill for the world. This is how we should live life. You understand?